Okay, so here we are with our little Vizsla puppies. This is Whitley. Hey, flip that. Whitley and Ruger's litter. This litter was born on March the 19th. And we have, I know. You're mad at me? We have 4 girls and, okay, hold on. Okay, so we'll start out with this one. This is Purple Collar Girl. They're wanting their mama. She's outside and they're like, where is she at? They're so cute. This is Purple Collar Girl. We're gonna start with the girls. Yes. Oh, look at them playing over here. He's like, I got you. There's 7 puppies in this litter. There's 4 girls and 3 boys. This is Green Collar Girl. Oh, sorry. A little closer to you. I was like checking and seeing if you got any kisses. You do? Oh, I'd love to kiss you. Yes, I do. This is Green Collar Girl. Yeah. And that's Miss Whitley. Oh, is he getting you? This is Yellow Collar Girl. I think she's the biggest of the girls right now. You checking that out? Huh? Did you check that out? Oh. This litter's almost 3 weeks old. Blue, what are you doing? Look at Blue over here with her. I'm getting her. Come here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh. Do you hear the little barks? Oh. And this is Red Collar Girl. Put your little ear down. This is Red Collar Girl. Oh. So cute. What's the matter? Orange Collar Boy, what are you doing? Are you trying to get Mom? This is Orange Collar Boy. What? You are so cute. Oh. And then this is Black Collar Boy. Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious. This is Black Collar Boy. And have we got Blue left?
I think so.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yes. And then here is Blue Collar Boy. Oh my gosh. They are very cute puppies. Right now we have 1 girl available, and we do have boys available on this litter. So if you are interested in a Vizsla puppy, this litter goes home. Oh, I know, them new collars. Yeah. This litter goes home on May the 18th. And if your puppy's being shipped May the 22nd, and I am going to take that from Levi. And sorry about my hand and my arm. That way you get a close up of the babies like I see. Hi, Jugs. Oh, yeah, go ahead. And Miss Whitley. Whitley, is that your babies? Oh, yes. Did you hear them? Did you hear those babies? Where are you going? Oh, you got the toy, Whitley? You got the toy? Yeah. Oh. You just wanted attention, didn't you? Yes. Oh, so cute. Oh, I know them new collars. Little Green's like, I'm tired. Yes, those new collars. Yeah, doggone. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, no. What you got, Will? What you got, Will? Oh, you got the toy. Let me see that toy. Let me see the toy. Yes. But they are just really gorgeous puppies. Again, this is Whitley and Rugar's litter, born on March the 19th. They're available to go home on May the 18th or May the 22nd if you are having your puppy shipped. If you have any questions, where's she one? Give me a call at 812-709-1839. And my name is Terry Young with White River Kennels. Again, my number is 812-709-1839. What are you doing, Woo? You got a toy for Mom? You got a toy for Mommy? You are a sweetie. Yes, you are. Aw. So cute. All right. Thank you. I know.